everybody, and welcome to this video on compound interest. In this video, we're going to have a look at how to solve for the principal amount given all the other variables. So let us jump straight into an example and have a look at how would we calculate it. So here's an exercise. We have to calculate the amount invested in each of the following cases. So once again, we're going to follow the structure that we have used previously to help us with our calculations, and the structure involves writing out the variables that we were given. So the first one is that we received 23,300 after invested for 3 years. So that is our A, and that is 24,300. Our number of years is 3, and our interest rate is 12% per annum. Once again, just make sure that you are converting this either to a decimal or a fraction and not just putting 12 in the formula, so that's 0.12. So we have A is equal to P1 plus I to the power of n, since it is compounded. So we have 24,300 is equal to P, that's what we would like to solve for, 1 plus 0.012 to the power of 3. Now, to make P the subject of this, we can just divide both sides by this factor over here. So we have that P is equal to 24,300 over 1.12 to the power of 3. Typing that into your calculator, you'll be able to get the answer. So what you're doing is 23,000 over 1.12 to the power of 3, and that gives us 17,296.26 cents. Okay, let us have a look at another example. So we received 13,200, so that is the accumulated amount. And our number of years is 14, and our interest rate is 6.2%, which once again we are converting to a decimal, so it's 0.0602. Then we're going to use the formula A plus P1 plus I to the power of n. Our A is 13,200. Our P is what we are solving for, plus 0.0602 to the power of 14. And once again, to make P the subject of the equation, we're going to divide both sides by the 1.0602 to the power of 14. Okay, so typing that into our calculator, we get that this year is then equal to 5,822.97 cents. Okay, so that's how much you would have had to invest to get that amount after 14 years. So let us do the last question. So we received that amount, so our accumulated amount is 480,500. The number of years is 24 years, and our interest is 4.5%, which we write as 0.045. I just realized that this one here was supposed to be, okay, let's just change the interest rate over here to 6.02. Then I will, so this year, change the interest rate to 6.02 so that the calculation is correct. Okay. So then what we have is we're going to use the formula A is equal to P1 plus I to the power of n. Our A is 480,500 is equal to P1 plus 0.045 to the power of 24. So once again, to solve for P, we're going to divide our accumulated amount by the interest raised to that power. So then what we get is that 480,500 divided by 1.045 to the power of 24. And that gives us 167,071.5 2. Okay, I hope that you've understood this video and watch other videos for more information. Thank you for watching. Bye.